Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove and replace the background of your videos in CapCut Mobile. So here I have this video that I want to change its background. First, let's remove the current background. So click on the video, swipe and find the remove BG option, remove background. Click on the auto removal. Now CapCut will applying the auto removal. Just wait until it's done. You can see the progress in here. Wait until it turns to green. So now the background is removed. Next, you can just replace the background. You can just go back, find the background options, and here you can choose between color, image, or blur. I'm going to use image. Here you can also add an image from your gallery, but here I'm going to just use one from CapCut. So for example, I'm going to use this ones right here. Click on the background, click on the check icon, and this is the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.